Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. So today we'll be starting with Unicity question paper solution complex variable for May 16. So the first question is question number 1C. Find the value of P such that f of z is analytic. F of z is given. So I can say U is nothing but r cube cos p theta and V is nothing but r raised to p sin 3 theta. What I can say is since f of z is analytic, so therefore u theta is equal to minus r vr and ur is equal to 1 by r v theta. So let's find, you can take any one condition. So what I do first, let's find u theta. If I find u theta, I get r cube and minus of sine p theta into p. If we find vr is nothing but with respect to r I need to do, so I can write here p r raised to p minus 1 sine 3 theta. So let's substitute this both values in my equation number 1. So u theta is minus r cube p sine p theta minus r cube p sine p theta, and that is equal to minus r vr is p r raised to minus 1 sine 3 theta. So what I can say here, I can cancel out some terms, that is p and p gets cancelled, minus and minus get cancelled. Sorry, r raised to 1 and r raised to minus 1 makes r raised to 0, so that is also gone. So finally I can say r cube sine p theta, that is equal to, here it becomes r raised to p sine 3 theta. So p is equal to 3 if you compare here. So let's start with the second sum of the same paper, that is, so question number 3b, find an analytic function. So u is x by 2 log of x square plus y square minus y tan inverse y by x plus sin x cos hyperbolic y. So we need to find analytic function and u as given. Let's start with the solution. So I'll be starting with step 1. We'll be finding ux. With respect to x, if we find this, we need to do u into v here. So 1 by 2 acting as a constant, x, differentiation of log will be 2x divided by x square plus y square, that is with respect to x I am doing, plus log x square plus y square, and differentiation of x is 1, so I have not written here. So now minus y, differentiation of tan inverse y by x is 1 divided by 1 plus y square by x square, and further differentiation of y by x with respect to x will be minus y divided by x square, plus differentiation of sin x is cos x and cos hyperbolic y will be as it is. So let it be in the same way. I need to substitute x equal to z and y equal to 0. When we do ui, that comes to be x by 2 acting as a constant, and differentiation of this will be 2y divided by x square plus y square. Then here with respect to y I need to do, so that means I need to again apply u into v. So I say y, and differentiation of this will be 1 divided by 1 plus y square divided by x square, and differentiation of y by x with respect to x is 1 by x. After that, plus I can write here tan inverse y by x, and differentiation of y will be 1. So this ends here. So further is, with respect to y I need to do this, so that means sin x will be acting as a constant and cos hyperbolic y will be sin hyperbolic y. So step 2 is put x equal to z and y is equal to 0. So ux is equal to, so when I put x equal to z, I get 1 by 2z square divided by z square plus log of z square minus y is 0, so this whole terms comes to be a 0. Here I can write plus cos z and cos hyperbolic y, so that is again cos 0, which is 1. So this I got as ux. Let's write uy also. When we put uy, y is 0, the first term is 0, y is 0, this term is 0. And here when you keep y as 0, so tan inverse 0 is again 0. Here when you keep sin inverse 0, that is 0. So I got ux is equal to this.